Bro. Bro, what is going on? XRP going banana mode, almost breaking out into new highs. I'm in Liverpool now meeting up with Andy, who I've been working on drop with for the past 8 months. And just so happens at the day that I get here, we break out from like this $3 level and just start ripping. We hit nearly $3.30 this morning, wicked back down to like just under 310. Now back at 325. Like we're going for all-time highs probably today. And the meme coins on XRP in the meantime, right? Going kind of banana mode. Oh, here's market cap. Kind of banana mode. Phoenix been pumping like crazy, drops up. No, nothing's even gone too nuts yet though. Look at the amount of makers, like the amount of people actually trading these tokens. Less than 500 on Phoenix, and that's the highest one. Less than 500 people. When the masses flood on to the XRPL, forget about it, guys. Forget about it. Look, it just feels like divine timing, the way that this is all played out. But we're just going to go through some tweets and, I'll just hype you up a bit, give you a bit of a bullish video here today, because how could we not give you a bullish video today? Right? Bitcoin has just been chopping sideways here. XRP starting to rip even more. What happens when we get, Bitcoin starting to go again? And it goes for that push to like 130, 140, 150. XRP hasn't even broke its high. Once it gets going and it breaks its high, dude, we're going to $4 to $5 in the next week. No doubt in my mind. ETH pushing back up to like 3,500. Basically a massive false breakdown of this trend, breaking back into it, and then ETH's going to break all-time highs, without a doubt. XRP versus Bitcoin, ripping. Still has a while to go even to get back to its previous high, but then to get to where it's really going, dude, we have ways to go. Ways to go. And then what I want to look at? Another one, XRP.D. XRP dominance back at 5%. But we're shooting back to these highs. We're looking for like 20% XRP dominance, in my opinion. Not financial advice. So even if the rest of the market stayed the same, XRP would need to go from 5% to 20%. That means it would have to 4x. So it would be like $6.50, like $13 if the rest of the market stayed the same. I think we are underestimating how high XRP is going to go this run, because we keep saying like, right, conservatively $8 to $10. But I think we're underestimating it. I think Credible Crypto might be spot on with what he's been saying. He believes $20 to $30. Honestly, I think it's making sense. It's making sense. Total 3, not even at its all-time highs yet, pushing up. Guys, it just looks so good. Hear from Crypto Michael. XRP new all-time high coming soon. Then the real fun starts. Dude, just look at that chart. Insane. You think we consolidated all those years just to break out and go to like $5? Come on, man. Come on. Blockchain backer. XRP's 2018 all-time high was $3.40. Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, Bitstamp, Bitfinex, list goes on. That was it. $3 to $3.40. 330 to 340. The 384 myth was something no one paid, received, or witnessed in USD. It was a Korean currency exchange issue. Price discovery is above $3.40. Perfect. There we go. And we're getting close, guys. We're probably getting there today, in my opinion. XRP 325, the last boss before price discovery awaits. And just showing where we're at through all the retracement levels. And this was before that, just doing like the eyes, like it looks like we're going for it. Crypto V, XRP dominance, 5-day chart. Volatility is in full-blown expansion as predicted. Perfect, man. Let's see it keep ripping. Vincent Van Code, this legendary 330 sell wall. Prices headbutted this all day, Australian time, and now price has cooled off thanks to novice sellers waking up. I don't believe any of this. I think the whole market's manipulated and controlled. It doesn't matter who buys and sells. I think the next 24 hours we might destroy 330. And when we do, I think we will move through the digits, quote, quickly. And I imagine today or Friday, our major news is also dropped, thrusting XRP to space. Exciting times, but as usually, I'm cautious of a price pullback. In it for the long run, just enjoying the show while I wait. And this is the fascinating thing, right? We're getting all this movement right now with no news narrative, no catalysts, no like big bullish thing being pushed in our face. So what happens when we get that case fully concluding, or we get some massive Ripple news being dropped? It's just going to give this even more fuel to keep ripping to the upside. Right? This is the most bullish thing that could happen, in my opinion. We're about to break out of our highs without any news. So then the news is going to come, and that's just going to be the excuse for it to keep going higher. Here from Waters Above, we're just getting started. $15 XRP is loading up. Enjoy the ride. And I couldn't agree more. I think we've entered the parabolic up only season. Bitcoin dominance starting to crumble. Right? But we still barely have seen anything. It's gone from 66 to 62.5. We have so much lower for this to crash, and that means the altcoins are just going to go so much higher. And then here's the big thing, right? ETH has $1 billion meme. Sol has $1 billion memes. BNB $1 billion memes. The mascot of XRP, Phoenix, is only at 15 million market cap. Will Phoenix be the first $1 billion XRP meme? And then more news from Phoenix. They just partnered with Zebek Cards, who is an Uphold partner, to get a Phoenix debit card. Similarly, we were offered this for drop, but we didn't want to pay the fee required to get this done. But I think it's abundantly clear with the team behind Phoenix, the amount of funds that they have at their disposal. They just sold out a huge NFT collection. I mean, I got one, right? It's my PFP here, Phoenix NFT with the drop. I think it's abundantly clear that Phoenix will be the first coin from XRP to list on Uphold, and probably other major tier 1 exchanges, assuming we get something on like a Coinbase or a Binance. And look, I'm bullish on Phoenix. I'm bullish on Fuzzy. I'm bullish on Drop. I'm bullish on the whole ecosystem. I think everything's going to absolutely rip to the upside and explode here soon. And people are going to onboard to the XRPL. Again, the price movements up we're seeing right now are minuscule, and they're basically just fueled by XRP going up, not by new money coming in and buying. But yeah, Phoenix sitting at 17 million. Just look at this chart too, right? Been down here at like these lows accumulating, break through like this 20 million area where we're at right now. This should easily just keep sending, in my opinion. And look, Phoenix and Drop are my two biggest bets. I mean, most of you know I've worked on Drop. I was the first person to run the project, the first CTO lead. Drop's all-time high is like 25 million right now, sitting at 7 million still. 2 XRP per drop. All-time high was 25 XRP per drop. I think things are going to get incredibly crazy and incredibly bullish as XRP breaks out into all-time highs and to $5 and to $10. So, guys, it feels good. We've been waiting a long time for this, and everybody that's here still right now has earned this moment, and I think we're all going to make a lot of money, and we all deserve it for sticking it through the past seven months or so. So hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.